This year, I ditched Sony, so here are my cameras going into 2026. The Canon C80 is the big reason that I actually decided to make the switch over to Canon. It has built-in ND filters, triple base ISO, awesome Canon colors, and it's perfect for run and gun events and videography, so I'm just really excited to get going with this camera. The Red Komodo is now my BC camera, just depending on what I'm doing, and despite it being an older camera, still has 6K, R3D RAW, amazing image quality, and because I'm switching over to RF glass, it's gonna be perfect for the Canon ecosystem. The DJI Action 5 is a small little action camera that I always keep in my book bag, and I think it's awesome. It's perfect for filler shots, BTS shots, rigging up to car mounts, quick car mounts. So I think it's an awesome little camera to just always have in my book bag. For everyday photos and personal use, I use the Fujifilm X-T50. It's an awesome little camera. It takes awesome JPEGs, has a built-in flash. Honestly, I think it's really underrated. I have actually used it for paid work before, and if I had a solid zoom lens for it, I probably would use it more. And obviously, I still have my Sony a7R5. This camera is a workhorse, 61 megapixels, can shoot up to 8K. And for right now, I still have this camera. The plan is to sell it and switch it out for another Canon body. So let me know down below, good idea to switch over to Canon, bad idea, what should I replace this with?